How to create amazing gradient designs like this using Photoshop's random fill feature. Well, it requires a bit of editing of the JavaScript, and you can see an earlier video on that. Please check that out on my channel. So what first thing to do, simply create the actual design to apply. So I've just got a document here, 50 by 300. So that's 300 being obviously the height, and I'm just using a gradient, a very basic gradient, just one of the default gradients, black to white. I'm using linear and simply apply it with the gradient tool straight down. So black at the top, white at the bottom. Go to edit and then define pattern. Click OK. Now, of course, at the moment, if I go to edit and fill, I'm just going to quickly, it's got white there, so you can see it completely empty. Edit and fill. Just go to the pattern for the contents. Select that gradient. There's the gradient there. And go for script. Now you notice there, random fill division. So please check that video out on how to create this script. Click OK. And you can see what happens. You've got this density. You can see all this. Now the preview never matches particularly the end result. So you apply it a couple of times. You've got the minimum scale factor 0.1 and also set the scale factor maybe say to 2 or something like that. Now I've got the rotate pattern on. That just randomizes it. And this one's division 4. So it's up, sliced like that, backwards and forwards, just at 90 degrees. And also I've set color randomness 0.93, etc. And just make certain you colorize the thing. Click OK. And then you've got your design. Now you can apply it a couple of times. Now this document is a standard HD video size document, 1920, etc. So simply just edit and fill again if you want to apply it again, just so it makes certain it's fill everything across the screen. And you can see the colourful design there. And of course, what you can do, you can always recolor it. You can apply adjustments. Maybe you decide, you know what, I want, instead of colour, you can just go for black and white. So you can create some very interesting black and white designs, very quick and easy using the same thing. So undo that. Or maybe just go to image adjustments, maybe go for exposure, hue and saturation. Just change the colours there and you can run through those, or maybe colorize. So you can create lovely colourful designs like that. Well, hope you found this tutorial of interest. Always adding new tutorials all the time. A like or dislike, always appreciated. Thank you much.